You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm Oswald Dior and shout out to all my haters. Ha! So today, yes, it's been a while I don't do a video, oh my god, because they have a lot of stuff in my life and I'm just gonna show you like on the next video, maybe the other video. But now here is a part of my new studio room for my makeup. I'm gonna do a reveal about my new room of makeup with the studio and everything like that. So I can't wait to show you this moment of my life and another stuff a lot. I'm so busy because with this quarantine too, I started working as well. Ooh, whatever, oh my god. But if you want, you can follow me on Instagram, Oswald Dior. If you want to follow me, welcome. So what you can see right here, yes, like you can see on the title, Impression Vanity mirror. I'm gonna unboxing this because that was my dream of mirror. Oh my god, I see everybody. Oh my god, I'm so far. I don't know if you can listen to me or no, but I hope I have a great camera. That was good. And look this makeup, look. Do you like this makeup? Do you don't like it? It's up to you. This is my inspiration with Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. Oh my god, I'm gonna follow rain on me. So this is what it look like. Perfect. Because it's so, look, I'm like this. And I have to going down like this and talk to you like this, exactly. So what we're gonna do it today, we're gonna unbox this beautiful Impression Vanity mirror if you like it or if you want it, because me, they have a lot of problems that I think, thank God is there. So we're gonna unboxing and we will see what's going on with that, if I like it or not. Hope so, because with the price, bitch, please, they have to be marvelous, you know what I mean? So are you ready? I'm ready, let's go! Okay, so let's start about this. So this one is the Mirror Impression Vanity, very unboxing. So I'm gonna show you to A to the Z. I'm gonna open it because I just received it on the mail. I don't know what's going on. It's been a while I don't do video. It's just my breath is like. So what you're gonna need is a scissor because we're gonna cut it. And for cut it, yes, you're not gonna see my face because you can see I'm like on the knees. Hello. No man, I look what I spent so much money about that. I can't believe how much Impression Vanity is so expensive. Girl, if you're looking for a vanity inspection, you should go with this brand because this one is the original of all time. The other one just copy. Trust no bitch. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna stop it to blah 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 because we're gonna cut. I'm feeling so good. I'm scared because it's a big box, so I take care of like everything, you know what I mean? So let's continue with that. So after 4 hours, no, I'm kidding, after like maybe 14 hours, this is what it looks like. So let's continue to open, guys. Like performance, ça porte fruit. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions. I'm hot. Seriously guys, shit, this is work. So this is the base. It's like, I'm gonna go swimming. And it's matching with my outfit, like gray, white, what's good? Oh my god. So this is the base. And they came with a mirror. With this, it's bigger mirror. Oh yeah. So, how do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. It was like a big challenge and I blooding with that. Like, look, I don't know if you can see, like, sabrosissimo. So it came with the instruction, like, thank God, because me, like, I'm an alien boy. You know I'm not alien, like, so all the manual instruction is there, so you're not gonna be lost to create your beautiful mirror. I like to take it like this because you can see my makeup, bitch. The mirror is upside down, so I'm gonna do it the bottom first And then I'm gonna switch it if I can, because this is heavy. This is so heavy. So you're gonna need, if you're alone, maybe you're gonna need some help, because me, I think I'm gonna need some help. Oh my god. Finally, you need someone to do that. Period, because this boy is not like that muscle. It's pretty cute. You can see the reflection my legs here. Oh, so this is what it look like after everything. Finally, I'm just gonna put it like the lights and everything like that. But yes, oof, I'm so cansado. I have to take a drink after that. Oh, this highlight is Pop It. I really love it. Thank you, Jacqueline Cosmetics. Oh my god, so pretty. And the mirror is, oh wow. Finally, I have a mirror like this. I want it, and thank god. You see, if you want it, you can get it. You can have it. Oh my, look at the legs. Girl, snatch. So we're gonna put in the lights, and I will come back.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah.
I finally put it the 15 light, and what I like about the light is very in plastic. I'm like, wow, because the light, I'm scared to drop it and just break it like so quickly. This one's kind of plastic, so what I like it is better like this, because I don't feel like I'm gonna be like worried about it. Like, oh, you can see it's tactile. Yo, bitch. Oh my god, did you see the sound? So pretty. Oh my god, I deserve this. Osvaldo, this is a great vanity mirror. This is the original. This is what you're looking for. If this is what you have it, so proud of me. Oh my god. Thank you, God. Thank you, me. Thank you for the performance, to saving money, because this one, it's a lot of money. Yes, yes, period. It's a lot of money. So this is like volume. Oh, so I can listen music through Bluetooth. Oh my god. And they have the temperature and the time. Wow, what do you want more? Like, this is 59 Fahrenheit. Is this 59 Fahrenheit? Oh my god, I want to put it in Celsius. And this is the volume, the Bluetooth. What is this? Okay, whatever. So are you ready to see the big moment? How it's gonna be highlight? So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my, one light is not working. What's good with that? One light is not working. Oh my god, no! Yo. Ta-da! Oh my god, I'm like, oh, and now this one is not working. Yo, are you kidding me? What is this trick like? Okay, they have the way to put it. Oh, okay, me, so in essence, I don't know how to do. I don't know how to say. Oh my god. And we can just turning down the light, I think so. Oh, and then putting more higher. Nice, I really love it. Oh my god. Now I can do my videos, my makeup. Oh my god, I'm not gonna need it anymore, like the bathroom. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Wow. For the price, it's impression. I like it. And it's not like a light, like the ring light. Sometimes my eyes is like, ugh, too much light. This one is perfect. It's giving me the beauty I am. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. My Impression Vanity mirror. Finally, I have it after 5 years. I told you I want it and I have it. You can have it if you want it, if you trust, believe, and you're gonna have it right here. It's a lot of money, yes, but it's worth it. Look at it. So gorgeous. I'm so happy to have it. This one is so pretty. I really love it. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome, and see you next video. Oh, no, and don't forget, we are the stars of our lives.